We got to change our posture. Okay. Come on, we got to look like we just saw.
Okay.
We just learned something ourselves, man.
Yeah,
He made news. Are you going to sell the company? Well, no,
That's
we're going to
true.
pass it on.
That's
you know, this.
All right, you ready?
We're there.
3.
There's nothing to say. I am so amazed at. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead. 3, 2, 1. God, the blooper reel. This is why we argue all the time.
I know.
We just work so terrible together.
All right, in 3, 2, 1. That was fantastic.
No, hold on a minute now.
We can't be laughing.
No, because I think when we left the room, it wasn't that.
Okay.
I don't even remember how we closed that show out.
I don't know.
Did we close it out?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, or did we say we're coming back here?
Yeah, we're coming back here, I think.
Okay,
so
I'm going to start it out calm.
Okay, so
ready?
3, 2, 1.
I told you that was amazing. Bob is such an open. I can start over. What am I even gonna say? It was so damn good, I couldn't believe it.
Let me start, okay?
Woo, baby.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
All right, ready? We'll get something out of it.
Yeah. All right. Now, everybody, give me.
Let's just look serious. I can't. Okay. All right. Okay.
All right.
Let's try one more serious.
Serious.
Okay, we're done.
Should be able to get something out of that.
Yeah. You didn't get any serious ones from me.
Yeah, no kidding.
I need to do a sound edit. I can't hear Denny. You just keep talking. I'm gonna come. I know how I'm coming back on this.
Okay.
Why I don't want to leave the basement. Denny, will you talk, please?
Yes, hello.
Just him. What number are you on? Do we know what number
He's on 1.
He is?
He should be
Okay,
1.
keep talking, Denny.
Okay.
He's Mike Buddy tonight.
No, just Denny only. Go, talk.
Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Yelsma Graphics.
I'm going to turn up his gain.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Keep talking. Talk, Denny.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Talk.
Talk.
Talk about those goodies you brought.
Yes,
What's your favorite?
Fantastic.
my favorite is the Dutch letters.
Yeah.
That's a staple of a Dutchman's life.
Oh, God, he
Oh,
sounds
they are so good.
now.
They are so good.
Okay.
I think the knob is getting,
Worn out.
no, oxidation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, that Denny was talking about pastries, so that always sounds good.
Okay, assume your positions.
All right. I don't know where I was.
Austin is in the house.
Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna do an edit here.
Yeah.
Oh, we're editing.
No. Just hold your posture the way you were before I did the edit, so I can pick
we
it
can't
right
do
back
that.
up on
Ready?
camera too.
What's good about when you plan it out in your mind is when it comes out, how you planned it.
You know
it
we're not
makes it
recording
so-
right now. I did an edit right here. So
Yeah.
if you want
That's
to, if you want us to
That-
hear
that's
you,
what-
no,
that's-
you should talk.
That's
Yeah.
what-
You should talk. You can even yell. The microphones will pick you up. If you
Yeah.
have something to say,
Yeah.
say it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, let's get back to the
Let's get
show.
out of edit. Okay,
Oh,
ready?
we're going back. We're getting
3,
out of.
2, 1. Out of edit.
I've,
And Josh, what I think is good, when you plan it out in your mind and it comes out how you planned it, it make it that much more satisfying.
no, let's do that again. I want to, because when the way I dropped it off, he said, and that's what's going on my layout, right?
Yes.
And then I said, the most poignant thing was, right? That I can't rewatch it.
Okay. So we'll just stop. We'll stop.
Just repeat what you said.
I can't repeat it, but I'll just.
I could do it. I could do this. I could do this.
Okay, and that.
I
And,
think
hold on. Ready?
No, you don't have to
and-
say nothing.
This should be part of a
You don't
blooper
say
tape.
It is. This is
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna build up.
270, isn't it? Yeah. Wow.
I cannot come back in tears.
Did we plan these shows, or we're actually defeating our purpose here?
And that's what's going on in my layout right now.